So if that's the case, keep your damn daughters home with you until they do find husbands, because my son will not be taking care of their ass while he's dating them, okay? Who wants a woman that's a damn charity case and can't pay for her own nails or anything like that? He will definitely be giving her gifts and everything, but nah, we ain't doing charity, son. We ain't dealing with no needy ass women or men.
Yes. Well, I don't know, so One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so we can grow the farm. You understand? Yeah, so today we'll be watching a video of a mother defending her son, saying that her son will never pay your daughter's rent if they're dating. Alright? No more long talk. We're going to dive right into the video right now.
Let me do this special announcement for my son that he don't know about, but yeah. It's coming from him. It's a special announcement through his mother. My son will never, ever be paying any of y'all daughters' rent, electricity bill, phone bill, or any of that type of shit while he's dating your daughters. You understand? Because the expectation is that when your daughter reaches womanhood, you would have prepared her to be a woman and be able to take care of her damn self. Okay? There are stages of development. You come in this world as a girl, you develop into a woman, you hopefully become a wife, and then a mother. And when you become a wife, that's when your husband hopefully will be the provider and take care of everything in terms of that household and all that kind of stuff. And that's exactly what I'm raising my son to be prepared to do.
All right, I'll pause that right there, so. I like that mother, yeah. First of all, I like that mother, yeah. I know, say, I get along with women will have boy children better than any other female out there because them have an unbiased perspective. Them have a son and them see how woman a treat man out the road. So them wise up and them put them son on game. Just like every mother should put them son on game. You understand? My mother, I don't know if we as Jamaican. My mother, Jamaican men. Our mothers teach us how to wash, cook, clean, press with clothes, do everything. Prepare for life. Should be out there. You understand? Cause what them say? They don't want nobody take liberty away. You see me? I know she say right so I when you get married, bills for your pay. Don't get me wrong, you understand? I mean, if we are talking long enough and you know what I mean, go get your nails done and but I'm not pay your rent, I'm not pay your car note, I'm not pay your insurance. I'm not doing that. That's your responsibility. See? Go continue.
These motherfuckers think that my son, while he's a man in manhood, if y'all think that my son is going to be walking around here dating women and paying their damn rents and everything else like he's somebody's gump, you must be crazy. And the only way he would do it is if his father got into him and told him, hey, if they want to be treated like tricks, trick their ass. You understand? And I don't want them to have to be like that. But know this, you better be telling your daughters that if they out here talking trick language, they're going to attract tricks. Trick language don't attract respectful men. And a lot of people have to understand that. You want to say, ain't no man like this, ain't no man. Well, who's you talking? What you looking for? If you looking for somebody to meet you after the first week and pay your damn bills, guess what? I've been with an NFL player that didn't do that or for the first week. You know, folks ain't stupid out here, smart individuals, but yeah, desperate men, are. But is that what you want? So just for the record, man, Ain't nobody son taking care of your daughter when she in womanhood, when she's supposed to be out here able to establish herself and pay for herself. And
hold on, go pause right there. So I like that. Every adult have the responsibility of taking care of self. Whenever I hear women trying to disrespect men, calling them brokey and this and that, when they say stuff like, oh, I pay my own bills, I don't need no man, I pay my own bills, I pay my own car note, I pay my own insurance, I pay my own bills. I'm like, okay, that's what a responsible adult is supposed to do. Take care of themselves and them responsibility. It's like screaming out the bare minimum is going to make men say, oh my God, she's such a fighter in this world, she's such a go-getter. You're supposed to take care of yourself. And if you think bragging about doing those things means something, it goes to show that you're not used to nothing. You understand? It's so crazy. Well, I pay my own bills. That's what you're supposed to do. Do you want a cookie? Wow, you paid your own bills? Oh my God. What did feminist... Let me tell you this. I ain't got no problem with first wave feminists. The first set of feminists that will come out, they just wanted equality and respect. Them young girls nowadays, them want power without responsibility, or we call it now, so they want power without the responsibility, right? And you can't, and they're above reproach too. You can't say nothing about them. Leave them alone. Don't say nothing. That's the mindset of some of them women nowadays. So it's refreshing to see a woman like this. I'm not gonna lie to you. Go continue.
Cultures, that's why when them girls hit womanhood, they don't leave their parents' house until they hit wife. Because the father is still responsible for them girls until they hit wife. You motherfuckers with your sprinkle think that while your daughters is out here supposed to be women taking care of themselves, that our sons are supposed to be taking care of them. Nah, you skipping a step, baby. So if that's the case, keep your damn daughters home with you until they do find husbands. Because my son will not be taking care of their ass while he's dating them, okay? Who wants a woman that's a damn charity case and can't pay for her own nails or anything like that? He will definitely be giving her gifts and everything, but nah, we ain't doing charity, son. We ain't dealing with no needy ass women or men.
Yo, the woman says she don't want her son to deal with charity case. That's how a lot of men feel dealing with some of these women nowadays. You understand? The woman them back then did have some tact about themselves, to which part them present themselves, and you know, them get what them want just based off of them femininity alone. A man say, yo, John, mama, hold that, boom, boom, boom. Because him feel at peace and him don't find no problem in funding and taking care of your life. But them girls nowadays, it's like an expectation. You should supposed to do this. Says who? Oh, are you a traditional man? Okay, let's talk about tradition now. You want to get married? Oh yeah, I want to get married. Do you know that your father is supposed to pay for the wedding? But who are going to pay for the wedding? The husband. So when them talk about tradition, it's only tradition talk when they benefit from it. But if you're supposed to bring up traditional roles of a woman, you're supposed to be in the kitchen, cook, taking care of your family, nurture, stay at home, don't work, boom, boom, boom. Oh, that's oppression. That's this, that, and the third. Come on now. You really want tradition? That's how me when I talk about tradition, you know. You see, if a woman come to me 100% traditional, I gotta play my traditional role if I feel like she's worth it. But when you come with expectation, and another thing to ladies, when you just meet a man, do not ask him for anything. Alright? The first thing I said, I get a feel man an idiot. I feel like she can come run in and take what she want and leave. Men are not stupid. We see and hear una attack. Just like how una say, them little youth we attack on the internet. I see them where we look at una. But it's like una not meds that. Una not meds say, wow, these men are listening to us. I watch a video today. And woman never want to sign the prenup. And I think she did it on Dr. Phil or Steve Harvey show. One of them showed it. And she said, yeah, women we're kind of gold diggers and rare. So when she said that, the whole woman in the audience, vex. You can hear the vexation in them voice in the oh. Come on now. So that mother, yeah, she have it right. And she being a woman, she know how woman steal and know how woman use man. So she protect her son from an early age. But this is what happened now. Somebody comment on her thing and say, she is in love with her son. This is why these men need sons. This is why these men need sons. Go play that video and hear what she say real quick.
Hey, one thing you ain't never gonna insult me about is the love I have for my son. You damn right. I'm in love with my son. I absolutely do. And, you know, I think some of y'all are mad because you don't have parents that love you the same way. Ooh. Your parents should have been invested in your future and making sure they helped you find someone equally yoked.
Pause that real quick. A lot of them women want the moms and the dads for school for them son. But for them parents now school them. You know, say men are taught how to treat women, but women are not taught how to treat men. They are taught how to receive treatment. Let me say that again. Men are taught how to treat women, but women are taught how to receive treatment. Ask any man out a road You see, when a woman don't move like the typical woman in a today's society, she's kind, loving, she buy you stuff. Some woman don't believe in a buying man things, you know. So when time I get a woman where do these nice things and show your love, it's a rarity. We're flabbergasted. We are wonder where the girl I come from is a unicorn, is a set up this swag one. This is too good to be true. And a lot of women them love shame or love to try to shame people when people live a life with them to agree with or say something with them to agree with. You hear what she said? She is in love with her son. Are you sick? Just because the woman have her son's best interest at heart, you're saying that she loves her son intimately in a sexual way. Where Kevin Samuel say, shame, guilt, insults, and the need to be right. That's why a lot of uno man don't respect uno, and that's why a lot of uno are single. I just want to dig up all of the good booby them, you know. I'm not lie to you know. I'm not gonna lie, I make a video on this a lot. I say this a lot in our videos. I fumble a lot of good women. And it's my fault. I'm a talk about that. My fault. But you know what? That will never happen again. Just to make it that happen again, I am re-evaluating my whole self. Right? Looking deep within. And I say, you know what? You did this wrong, you did that wrong. Next relationship, don't do that. And you know what? Since I've been doing that, I'm gonna get in another relationship. Yeah, flirt here and there, and we do a little thing. I come over, she come over, but nothing serious. You understand? We just have fun. But why do women feel like they need to shame you if they don't agree with you? Telling the woman that she loves her son is sick. You are nasty. Come on.
That's why a lot of these young ladies is out here, you know, messed up in these streets, needing a man that don't even really care for them, but using money to manipulate them. You know, that's why. Because they haven't had mothers and fathers who are invested in them and see them through these things. You know what I'm saying? Just send their daughters out to be sitting ducks, you know, and just be used up. Nah, I love my son. You damn right. And I ain't letting no woman use him up that ain't worthy. Just like if I had a daughter, and I do have nieces. Matter of fact, I'm a big sister of 2 other sisters. I don't play when it came to my sisters either.
Pause that real quick. You hear what she said? She said she's not making her son be used up by women who are not worthy. Man will spend on woman, you know. Man will move mountains across the world for the woman we're worth it. But all women think they worth it. The good, the bad, and the ugly. So the good woman them who deserve the world. But who me here complain the most horrible creatures on earth. I'm not talking about women as a whole. Me talk about the women who are not good. Big up the good woman them. Me talk about the women them that are not good. And them are complaining the most about what men are not doing and what women are, and what women should expect. You wouldn't allow my son to get used up, just like how a girl couldn't use me. Eh? That's why I'm not gonna lie to you. I love my Jamaican girl, even though Jamaica get Americanized and Jamaica been getting Americanized since me did that. I'm in the America double digits years now. So I wouldn't say slowly. Jamaica is Americanized. I'm not gonna lie, but we still have a little remnants of the culture in our brain. To which part we still move certain ways. That's why I always have to talk to my Jamaican girl because I come over here say in America, I'm not gonna lie, the girl them look good on them thing, but the materialistic you fuck. Materialistic you fuck. And them expect. So you're supposed to do this. Remember, you know? My first red flag with one girl I did like. You see me? I fly her in from Florida. You see me? Of course, Nasha forgive because I'm not flying nobody who I'm not sexually attracted to, and them not sexually attracted to me. I'm not flying nobody. If I never say that post it up on the phone or scream or send picture whatever, titty or road and something, you're not coming. I'm not flying you out. I'm not. We make a fly out. If I come look in your face, I smile. Now we can do that part. FaceTime. But anyway, I fly the booby in. Is in 2 things now. First red flag. We went to a little chicken spot. She wanted I remember which part them. I went there for half a Moreland it there. Moreland Avenue in Atlanta. One chicken spot is a very popular spot where them sell spicy chicken and them have levels to the spice. This fucking girl said she wanted to go and try it out. So I say, all right, let's go eat, let's go have some lunch. Cause she just come out for the plane. We just go straight get some lunch. Zine, then I go to boom now and she bought the spiciest sandwich, the spiciest chicken sandwich. Now me love spice, you know. But you see the top, me not going there. Me not reach there yet. So I think I chose one that was like 3 tiers down from the top. So it was manageable. Now she, as a booby, a woman, you pick the hottest chicken. Then that chicken sandwich there was just 20 something bucks. I'm not complaining about 20 something bucks. But that event showed me that this girl don't value nobody money but her own. She take one bite of the chicken. It was too hot. She take one bite of the, imagine the chicken sandwich big boss. Chicken breast. See? Bun, lettuce, tomato, pickles, whatever, and it come with a side of fries. She's not even on the fries, and the fries never spicy. She wasted my money. Now again, it's just $20, but I look at small things and see how they can ripple into bigger things. The girl take one bite of chicken and ball out, say 2 hot. So I'm like, you didn't know that? It literally has like the top space on the fucking tier. Waste my money. Then now we got a Target. She pick up some little female thing where she couldn't carry up on the plane. Zine, cause she got there in my yard for a few days. So I go somewhere now and I'm there in the line. We walk all over Target with her and we there the line now. She goes somewhere and put the thing them on the conveyor belt or whatever and to go up. It's when the cashier goes somewhere now and done cash the last thing. My girl just turn around and look at me, you know, and not said nothing. She just turn around and look at me. I say, okay, yeah, I don't see me fucking with this bitch long term. No, the expectation is too real. I'm gonna like that. I ain't gotta buy shit for you. I bought it still, cause I say, I fuck out that girl while I'm reaching, but they don't know the thing. Goggle my balls, mama. You don't know yourself. Think about $40 I'm spend that day there, so. Plus a plane ticket. That girl got suck your mother. Bamba clot. Go continue that video.
To be honest with you, both of my baby sisters have been in hella better relationships than I've ever been. Why? Because we did not allow them to be used up and be pushed out into this world as sitting ducks. So I understand, sweetie, some of y'all is walking around in pain. I was a person that was put out there like that too. But you ain't gonna make me feel no kind of way. You know, other people in other cultures look out for their sons and their daughters all the way until they get married. And nobody has a problem with it.
True.
But for some reason, black folks think that when our sons turn 16, we supposed to kick them out and never look back. You must be crazy. I'm a lover of mine till the day I damn die. And even when I do, I'm still gonna be loving them. And I hope you have that type of love in your life too, because you deserve it. You are worthy.
Ooh, you are worthy. You understand what I said? And even though the girl came disrespectful at her, she still left and showed love to that individual. Shame, guilt, insult. Shame, insult, guilt, and the need to be right. Them always try shame you in one position where you don't want to be in. I'm gonna tell you this, man, fuck shame. Especially if it's not something that's gonna degrade my name. If you think trying to shame me to buy you stuff is gonna work, bitch, get the fuck on. You are crazier than a rat trying to scratch a cat's ass. I'll tell you that right now, you mad motherfucker. You crazy? Women, protect on sons and protect on daughter. Set up your kids for a wonderful future, even if you don't have no inheritance for pass down to them. Make sure say them brain yaso. Make them inherit something yaso. If you're not physical money, make them inherit knowledge. Set them up for real life. Stop telling them it's men supposed to do this, men supposed to do that. Don't call tradition if you don't live in a tradition role. Zine, don't do it. This mom right here, I applaud her. I love her so much because she reminds me of my mother. I'm telling you this right now. My mother, she's a Christian, so if me get in trouble, she got me on my own. She tell me that many times too, but besides that, she reminds me of my mother. Yeah, man. My mother tell me if me get in trouble, me doom. Don't call her phone. Mommy, love you, yeah? It's alright. I like how you do me, but she remind me of you. Mommy, if you get in trouble, don't. Yo, well, I don't know say One Nation and Imara Nation. My name is Negusimara. Make sure to like, comment, share, subscribe, and hit notification bells so we can grow the farm. You understand? Yeah. Yo, blessings and honor to each and everyone out here. See me? I'm out.